Let's crochet a heart. You'll need your yarn, crochet hook, scissors, and a needle. That's what it looks like. I'm going to make a magic ring. I'm going to chain 2. That's 1, 2. And I'm going to do 3 trebles. So there's 1, 2, 3. Now I like to close this a little bit as I go. Now you're going to do 4 double crochets. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 1 more treble. Do 4 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 3 trebles. 1, 2, 3. You're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and you're going to slip stitch right into the middle. Cut the tail that tight, and then make sure you pull your magic ring circle tight, but not too tight that you snap the yarn. And what I do is I take my yarn needle, I go through 2 stitches to bring it in the back. I take it over. And I bring the working tail back to the magic ring tail. And then I tie them together. Like this. Then I can cut and there's your crocheted heart.